Well, it's as good a time as any. Let's start the stream. Yo, 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 it's your boy. I don't know. I had to hit him with the it's your boy. Um, Mainly just starting the stream to see what capabilities YouTube has. Looks like I can share my screen, which is going to be great. Entire screen. That sounds cool. System audio, sure, why not? There. Whoa, infinity. All right. So I just got home from work, which everyone, if you want to be a trader, you need to be working. Pretty straightforward. Um, let's see here. This is why I'm streaming, because I need to focus. I get off work, I check notifications. Looks like I got some likes. This is my profile. I'm TJ Detweiler. Yeah, you can follow me and my wife in person, IRL. These are some of the plays I've identified today. Looking for potential shorts. Got a strong uptrend break and kind of going flat. Big wick. Strong uptrend. Big red candle down. So it's getting a little exhausted up here. I'd be looking for those to turn around. Looking for that to turn around. But this is why I'm here. So that I can focus and chart and find plays. I'm glad the screen sharing works. That was the biggest worry I had, because if not, I would have to use Loom, and I don't like Loom because it's 5-minute max on the free version, and then you have to upload the video and do all that. I'd rather just go live and stream. So this is a play I've identified forever ago. Got a little bit of a gap fill up here. That's the GF. Got a 30-minute divergence here. This goes higher, while price does not. Again, this goes higher, while price does not on the 30-minute candles. So I've got this line here for the 30. There's also a 15. If we change it and zoom in, we can see this wick is this peak. Goes down, this comes up higher than that peak. This pushes higher, while these candles do not. So again, wick, lower, peak, higher. So that's basically what I'm looking for when I'm looking for my plays. I like to draw a nice trend line. I like to see it break and chop a little with good risk to reward. We're gonna, let me show you. Oh, I haven't used that tool in forever. That would be a long position, I guess. Something like this. Basically, that's a good risk to reward. And this is a 3-to-1. So anything with good room to run, I like to play. This has been chopping forever, but I give it a little grace because we had FOMC last week. Usually in FOMC weeks, it'll just chop for like mostly all stocks. All last week. Here you go. Case in point. So now I'm just kind of reacting to what the market's doing, which is reacting to FOMC. and the Fed just hiked 50 basis points. I'm not too much of a fundamentals guy, but it does matter for the environment we're in. So I give it a little grace. Normally, I would have loved to see this go by now, but it's not, so that's okay. And let's just keep scrolling through. Got a 15 and a 30. This is ideal. Like I was saying before, I like to have multiple divergences near each other, so it's like a magnet. It just pulls it right up to it. So we got a 15 and a 30 on this. Here's the 15. Bottom wick comes up, pushes down, does not break. From here, goes up, pushes down, does break lower. So that's a divergence. Let's go to 30. This wick, up, down, with only green to only red candles. I like to see that. A low here, just a low here. That pushes lower while price does not push lower. So you have a nice divergence there. Again, top wick. This one could be ready to go pretty soon. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Also, just generally, this pushed up over into above the 70 RSI. Wow, this did not. It's kind of a general divergence. This goes lower, this goes higher. That's not very sticky. I like to have my other divergences be a little more sticky for my plays. I like to look at MACD every once in a while to see if momentum's lined up yet. I don't know. Can't really tell here. You can go to a higher time frame. Sometimes it'll tell you on the higher time frame. But well, that's what I do. So we keep charting. These are on watch. Got multiple ones on here. Here's a 60-minute, which is an hour. So from here up, that pushes lower than this, obviously. While price does not break. That's the low. So break this. So that comes back. Those are some of the rules of my system. Again, it's got a 30 from here, from this wick, and this comes back down. So from here down, and this obviously doesn't push down below this. So that'll be a good one eventually. I don't think it's ready yet. I also have this old line from up here, so maybe it goes up, touches, and then pushes. I'd look for that. Again, I don't want it right here. I want it further. Price will be better for me. I'll get more room to run. I can take fewer shares and hold them longer, but they're going to make more on the way down. As opposed to I'd have to get more shares here, and if it goes against me, it's going to hurt more. And I wouldn't even know where to put my stop. I guess my stop would be right up here, but that's where I want to get in. So being selective in this market, especially since it's pretty choppy, anything can happen at any time, no matter how foolproof a system I have. For me and my account, I am barely getting profitable. So here is my thread, if you want to come see this. I'm doing $300 to $1,000, risking about 30 per trade, and it's gone well. So I made 358 in 1 week. Okay, 58 in 1 week. The next week, roughly another $50. The week after that, roughly $50. Here's some screenshots to show my account. Then from there to there's another $50. That's about $60. 516 to 582, and that's where I am currently. So just about 100% of my $300. Pretty exciting because I've done this once before. I've taken 300 to 700 and then lost it. But I was also taking other people's plays back then. I'm completely on my own now, which is very nice, very honest, very freeing. You know where you are. You know the truth of your trading. There's no excuses. There's no hiding. There's nothing. It's all on you. And that's the journey of trading. So this is a nice, very nice, clean divergence here. Got a big wick, one green up, some reds down, and then that's very cleanly below. Very, very obviously lower, while this is very obviously higher. So I really like that one. I like Tesla going lower. I like DraftKings going lower. And I did tweet about those. So, and people liked them. So, DraftKings short on watch. Tesla short. Oh, nobody liked that. That's fair. Everybody loves Tesla. Yeah, somebody else posted SMMT. Kind of looks good. So I did hop in with a call. Let's see how that ended. Oh wow, pushed, kept pushing. Nice. Again, I'm just getting off of work at 10. I drive home and I chart right now. So I got in right around here. And it just pushed right through that zone, which isn't much of a zone, but it's there, right? Price action played it. We wicked up into it, retested, pushed, couldn't break, pushed again. Maybe in the morning it comes and bounces it and then pushes higher. We'll see. Maybe it just runs because it's bullish. And again, from open, it's pretty neutral. Didn't lose too much. But for this push right into close is usually a good thing for the next day. Let's see what happens. If it touches the zone again, I'll add more. Then we get something like that. I'll add more. In the zone. And then I'll be fully out right here. These orange lines are my targets. So again, I've identified this divergence. Somebody else posted the play, but I went ahead and looked through. This goes higher from here up on a wick with only red to only green. This goes higher up. Price does not. So it did not break it. So that's a divergence. It's not the cleanest one. Again, the Tesla one was obvious. This is exactly what I look for, you know. Nice big wick. Green's up, red's down, does not break. It's perfect. Look at the 30 just because it's there. So red wick, green's up, red's down. It does push lower, just barely. It's not very obvious. So I don't know if I like that 30 being there. But that 60 is really an obvious one. Like this obviously goes lower than this. While price does not. So That's enough on that. Let's keep pushing. Put some old lines down here. When price pushes strong away from it, I don't feel like it's in play anymore. But it could always come back, so you never know. Let's revisit real quick. There's a 10-minute here. I don't like it. I'm gonna get rid of it. And I don't think the 5 enough is enough to bring it back after 2-3 weeks. I'm gonna delete that and just forget about it. So now that we're up in this choppy area, maybe there's one down here that wants to call it back down. Not from what I can see in the 10-minute. Let's go 15, 30. Next stock. So I just hit the down arrow over here. We're gonna keep pushing. Just keep swimming. Oh yeah, this was my old play. I just deleted the lines today. Just popped right up and hit it. There's still a gap up here, so I don't really have any plays for this. We're still a day away, or within the same day of when it hit, so not expecting much. Let's go short time frame here. 5 minute. Not seeing anything I like. Make this bigger. Stay big for me. Let's push. I'm gonna stay on the 5 minute so we can find some quick plays for tomorrow. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. I don't feel like getting into a swing just yet in this environment. Haven't seen many swings that I like lately. I mean, technically I'm swinging SMMT overnight, but which, by the way, let's put that in here. This just means I'm in it. Exxon. So Exxon and Oxy are similar. Obviously, they're both oil companies. And I am an Oxy. Hoping it doesn't make me look like an oxymoron. But we'll see. No? You don't like that one? My wife didn't like that one. I said, I'm an oxy. I hope it doesn't make me look like an oxymoron. You're welcome. Oh, looks like this is close to hitting. This broke down way too far over what I would have wanted for a 15-minute time frame. It's kind of just a feel that I have. Usually it would pop down, maybe pop down this far, and then it would bounce back and recover. And it just took too long. So I didn't really play it. And then now it's just kind of chopping around. It will hit this because it's still kind of there. And it's NVIDIA. It's a bullish stock anyway. So probably hits tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe if we open right up in here somewhere, I grab 100 shares and I write it up just real fast for $100 or something like that. But that's kind of a greedy play. It's not my main. It's not good risk reward. It's oversizing on something short. Not a good process, but maybe I do it. Maybe I take a couple bucks in the morning and walk away. Or sometimes, because I have these divergence lines, it'll open up here and it'll just fall right to my line. So that's another way to play my plays. It's interesting. So there's nothing in here on the short term that I would be looking at. Because again, this is all just chop. So let's push. Let's keep going. Apple have anything? Not really. Small candles. Not gonna show much. This might have something. We got some bigger movement. Just generally, you can tell because I got top left to bottom right of my screen, right? So if something's moving, there's potential for reversing and going back, which is mainly my plays. I like to find reversals that go towards divergences. I'm not seeing anything on the 5 minute. Maybe there's a 10 over here. Not really. And even then, it's just a nice strong trend up. I usually don't like to fight those too much. I like to find these pullbacks, find a divergence up here, get in down here, and then ride it back up. Because most stocks are bullish, and your SPY, in case you haven't seen, we are in a very bullish trend, bottom left to top right. Let's go with that trend. Huh? Where were we? 5 minute. On Apple had nothing. Microsoft, yeah, that's where we were. Didn't see anything. Let's keep going. Netflix. Yeah, nobody's in here as expected. Losers. Since I have the douchey TJ Detweiler photo. Oh yeah. Also, I'm TJ Detweiler because I kind of look like him, and I like to be a good friend, and I like to scheme things up. I like to have fun, and I'm generally pretty happy, just like this guy. So give me a follow, or if you're watching this at all, you probably came from Twitter. So what's up? Like and subscribe. It's free. If this account ever does anything, which I don't care if it does or not, I want to make my own millions and get out, you know. But if this account ever makes any money, I have plans to screenshot all the revenues, put it into an account. At the end of each year, I would give that account to trader, or not the whole account, a percentage of the account, because I want it to keep investing and rolling over. Here's a nice 5 minute. Double click, hit the 5, hit OK. So because we're still so close, it probably won't work out. But ideally, tomorrow morning, I'd love this to pop up. And then later on, it'll come back, you know. Because I want a good risk reward. I don't want to get in right here and then get blasted. Again, what was I saying? I think that's a divergence too. Technically, it's also 5 minute. I love to pair these. So if there's a 5 minute, I'd love to find a 2. Or if there's a 5 minute, I'd love to find a 10. You know, something that's one time frame away. Which you might say, why don't you look at the 6 minute? Because nobody uses a 6 minute. You gotta use time frames that other people use. So 5 minute, 10 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour. I keep it pretty simple. I want something to be obvious so that other people see it. So that other people play it, so that we all make money together. Let's Let's keep scanning. It's kind of here, so I'll just bring it up to the top. Maybe I'll put a green on it. Short term, blue is on watch, purple I'm in. Short term, make sure to check it out in the morning, kind of a thing. So JP Morgan, yeah, got the 15 there. Still daily. I like this daily, if I remember right. Let's zoom in. Yeah, nice wick. 2 push. Is it lower? Barely. You know what? I don't like that daily. Sometimes I see things in the moment and I mark them and I'm like, yeah, that'll be good. Let's come back to that. And then now I have my good reality glasses on. So I'm criticizing that. Why did I write that? Come on. You can do better than that. This is nice. I played this morning. Made some money. There was a 5-minute right here. Actually held this overnight. The $70 put. And there's a 2-minute right here. The 2 is very clean. Popped up, ran right to it at the open. Bounced. And then I got out once they hit this. I should have held because that ran right to this line. So that was my morning today. Nice play. Hasn't set anything else up. I didn't expect it to right away. Just kind of jogging. Closed pretty high up, so maybe it pushes more tomorrow. This 15 looks pretty good. Nice big wick. Greens, reds. Pushes below this pretty clearly. Yeah, this is below this. Well, price does not push below, so it's a good divergence there. We'll keep that on watch. Maybe let's move that up to the top. So orange is just a higher time frame. Green is going to be a lower time frame, like 5 and 2. It's going to be 15:30, 1 hour. It's kind of hard to get. All right, let's go to the fun stocks. These are all the serious, big mega cap stocks. These are the fun ones. Let's go back in the 5-minute. See if we see anything. No. 2-minute. No. Keep pushing. 2-minute. No. 5. I'm going pretty fast. I know what I like. This looks like something that wants to go up. Even though it just went down. Is it 10-minute movie? No. Just this bounce off of there is really nice. Got this nice waterfall bounce, kind of like a V recovery, and then chop. So it's like waiting, and then it's gonna make it move up. That's the feeling that it gives. Let's see, maybe there's something up here. 15-minute right here. Nope. 30. Not seeing anything. Also, fundamental events can just, if you have a technical setup that's like calling for the stock to go up here, and then you hit this earnings event and nothing happens, or it goes negative, or it goes positive and nothing happens, it pretty much negates my technicals. So I I hate fundamentals. I avoid fundamentals. They hate me. They hate my plays. That's how it works out. Oh, this looks like it wants to come back. Let's actually go to 15 and look at it. I don't like that. Why would I write that? Is a 10 at least redeemable? Wick barely pushes below from here down. I do not like that. 7. Do not like green eggs and ham. I mean, you can see this little nub is lower than that, but come on. That's cheeky. It's a good risk reward, and then is quite the fall. It's almost like a V, right? That's what I like to look for is V in price, pull back. This is where you get in, and then it slams. Will this happen on this? I don't know. That's very cheeky. I'm actually going to delete it because I'm not going to play it. So there's no point in assessing it. Come on. It's odd. Okay. Let's go into 5 real quick. Yeah, not really anything. 5-minute Carvana. Just chopping. 5-minute PayPal. That is one. But did it already hit? Whoops. Yeah, it already hit. How about to the upside? Oh, it almost is one. It's not bad. Or is it? Is that a 5? I hate zooming in too much. I want it to be obvious. So it does push higher. This pushes over. While all these candles stay green. Yeah, I'll count it. It's pretty good. And that's pretty long wick. I like that. So ideally, for tomorrow, we're going to push down. Do some kind of something like that, you know? That's the idea. So if I got a 5-minute there, let's see if we have a 2-minute to pair it with. Not that I can see. 10-minute. Yeah, I doubt it. Let's keep pushing. I'll move this to the top. Maybe it'll play in the morning. Maybe we'll gap down and then we'll just run right up to it. I could see that happening. Or on the way down, it makes the 2-minute. Then I can hit it to the 2, take out half, and then run to the 5, and then get all the way out. Oh, where was I? Dang it! I drew this. I dragged it out. Down here. Oh yeah, I did see Carvana already. So far, not seeing anything. This is good movement, good range for being choppy. Only 2-minute. Not very liquid. It's pretty blocky. You can kind of see these short time frames don't offer too much. That's why I like to look at these big cap stocks. Let's check the 15 real quick. Oh yeah, they're just chopping straight sideways. I've got a 30 there. Hmm. I mean, that's technically there. That goes up. This goes lower than that. Well, price does not break lower. I'm not going to play this, though, until it gets way up here. Or does this gap fill? Heck, this could be a play, after all. Let's hit this gap fill. Alright, well, guess we have a play. GF. Come on. So maybe it comes up here and then comes back down. I guess I'll move it to the top. What was so far? 10-minute, huh? Wow, it's already made the move. I missed it. Yeah, that's good. I like this. Obviously lower than that. Well, price does not. Came up, big red candles. This reminds me of Tesla. It's kind of what I'm looking at. Tesla. It's going up. We got some big red candles. It's starting to change hands with who's in control. Obviously, I'm too late for this play, but we're moving on up. We'll look at it tomorrow morning. Maybe we run right now. Maybe it happens, but for some, whatever risk, I don't even know. Probably like this line right here. Touch, 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 touch. Something like that. A lot of touch points right there. Moving on. Oh, tracked it up from out of nowhere. I looked at Uber already. 5 minute. Not seeing anything. Oh man, it's already 12. I gotta go to bed. Market's open in 7.5 hours. What do you think, wife? You ready to go to bed? Wife. Wife. I don't know. I don't want to show my face. I want to be generic. Even though if anyone wants to look me up, they can. I don't care too much. But in general, I like a level of anonymity. Oh, I want something to be right here because of how much this wants to turn around and go down. There's nothing right there. Maybe I check the 10. Yeah, just nothing. Nothing for me to hang my hat on. Maybe I check the 15. That's a stretch. Yeah, I'm stretching it. Okay. No, this is just chopping around. Maybe there's a 30 over here. Bigger. No, maybe there's a 60 there. Wishful thinking. Pushing your luck. Not technically. Alright. This is not super great. Technically. From here, it comes up and pushes. So this is technically lower. But yeah, that's the same as the other play. There's no good risk to reward there. It's the same as CLSK. So I should mark. Want to watch. It's the same thing. It's like there's no risk to reward going right here. I need more space than that. That was Mara, so let's just keep going, I guess. I don't know why I'm marking it. It's not funny. Oh, good movement here. Bottom left to top right. It's a good moving stock. Healthy. Good size pullback. No pullback for me on the 5. Anything on the 2? This looks like some choppy upward. Which upward is good, but choppy upward is like, it doesn't really want to be up here. What, 10 minute? Yeah, doubt it. Anything over here? Oh, ooh. Oh, you got lucky. That could have worked if this pushed lower, but I don't think it really did. Not significantly enough. From here to here. Okay, moving on. Another thing, I don't like it when it goes up above the 70. I want to keep everything in the bands. So 15. Looks like there might be something here. Come on. Just the way that this is turning out feels like it wants to reverse. Alas, does not. Not for my system, not for my trade. Can't force anything. That's when you lose. Moving on. Wow. Just not finding much. A fun day, huh? That goes lower. I'd say that definitely goes lower. So this goes under with a nice big wick. We'll see if it's there tomorrow. Mark it for the morning. Put it to the top. So in my mountain time, market opens at 7:30. I don't wake up till 7. So what I'm gonna do, I'll check all these flags and see how pre-market's looking. If certain things are ready or not for the open. If not, I'm pretty hands off. Because I know me, and forcing it doesn't work. Ugh. TNA and IWM. Why do I have both of them? I don't know. Maybe for options it's cheaper. Why do I have both on my watch list? That hit. Nice. Did I see it hit? No. That came back immediately. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I remember marking that too. On the VIX, on the old VIX. Spiked and crashed. Fun. So bullish tomorrow if this trend continues, which it looks like it will. Because it's VIX. And VIX always just dies. Until it doesn't. I love playing VIX derivatives too. 5 minutes. Nothing here. Because of my high quality setups. There's something. You got something. That's nice. Nice wick. Green's up, red's down. Doesn't push below right here. Does push below here. Let's see. This comes down. Cool. We got something. We got something. I need to change the colors on this. Let's go even lighter. Or just more opaque. Yeah, let's go more opaque so I can see my lines better. There we go. It's like running all into the same spot. Cool. So I got a 5 there. It's like the cleanest divergence I've found all night on my third to last look. Third to last stop. Again, this still just has to go up a bit and then it'll come back. So is there a 10 to pair with it? Check one higher time frame. Not really. I mean, it would be, but that would have to be greens and then reds. This goes to red, then to green, then to reds. I don't like that. Yeah. It's too bad. It would work, but that just ruins it. 2 minute? Anything on the 2 minute? So we did one higher, now we're checking one lower. Not really. Dang. That looked good though. We will keep a watch. Why is HD not here? I just added it and didn't sort it. HD should go into. Where's my secondary? Nah, it'll go into secondary. Did I not? Oh, I didn't look through all those. Oh my gosh. Wow. How about Etsy? 5 minute. Not getting anything. Etsy should also go under here with Chewy. Verizon can go. Oof. Yeah, that's secondary. It's not a mega cap. Alright, cool. I like doing futures just because I never even play them. But it'll give me a market direction for the next day sometimes. So this is a 5 minute. We need to zoom out. Because market closed somewhere around here. No, market closed right here. This is all after hours. Just chopping 2 weeks? Goodness sakes. Just chirping. Direction. And just so annoying. But hey, all the brokers are making money. All the prop firms are making money. Don't give them your money. Don't overtrade. Wait for the high quality to come to you. I guess that's it then. That on my stream. Not finding anything else. So, oh, actually, I could go through all this real quick. Do it fast. Screw it, we'll do it live. Do it live. Wow. That big long word. There's technically there. What? Yeah. Turn it up. 5 minutes to midnight. Oh, and because I'm TJ, I'm a millennial. And TJ would have liked some of that early thousands emo music. Early, yeah, late thousands, early tens. Punk, emo music. Not seeing much. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's one. We got one. So peak Abu. Like that 5. I'm just gonna highlight this to show you guys. This slightly goes up. That price does not go up. Oh yeah, that could be great for tomorrow morning. Oh, I'm glad I looked. We're gonna push this all the way up to the on watch section. Why am I doing that? So this is 2 days ago. And it's a short time frame. So if it's gonna go, it's gonna go soon. Normally a 5 minute would hit in the same day or the very next day. And it didn't do that. And it didn't do it the next day. And it didn't do it this day. 23, 24, 25. So maybe it's early tomorrow morning. That's why I did that. Let's see if I can pair it with 10. Turn it up. I don't even know what those little words. 15. Getting desperate. Alright, guess not. Is there a 2 minute anywhere? Just another target, another magnet. So we can have converging signals. Or as they say on FinTwit, confluence. Dare I say confluence? The best trading word in the world. If there's not confluence, I don't want it. My wife hates that word. We didn't think it was a real word till we Googled it. And you got owned. What? Oh, I already put it up here. Okay. Dang it. Now I don't know where I was. It's probably near snow. Let's just keep going and be done. American Airlines, I'm going up real quick. I don't remember Walmart. Or, oh, okay, I do remember that. Alright. Nothing on Walmart. It's a stream. I gotta keep talking for the people. There's so many people that are gonna watch this. I'm so far away from getting monetized. I don't know why I'm even writing all this. Cool. Nothing there, nothing there. Like that. Yeah, that's there. We got 5 here. Please let me pair it. With a 2-minute. Nope. 10-minute. Nope. That's sad. Let's get all these one-off signals. Guess I'll watch it in the morning. Put it right there. View is next. Oh, big gap down. Oh yeah, Visa. Did you hear about Visa today, man? Liz, did you hear about Visa?
No.
Oh, it's not the SEC. Who is it? I don't know. The federal government's gonna go after Visa because Visa is a monopoly on cards. So ridiculous. Yeah, they are, but are they doing a good job? Yeah. Is it really that menacing?
Is MasterCard still around?
I mean, I shouldn't comment on things I don't know about. I should look at the facts. I could be very ignorant. It could be. No, MasterCard is anti Visa. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I know. There's so many people.
I could look at MasterCard. It's MA. I thought it was MA.
Because I feel like MasterCard and Visa are like the same.
That could be a play. Because Visa's dying, I could play MasterCard. Just kidding. They gapped down hard today, too.
I was gonna say they're both out there.
Some people trade like that. It's crazy. I've never traded like that.
Trade the news.
Yeah, trade the news or trade sympathy plays or opposite plays.
So the trading process isn't really anything.
Yeah, it can. If I can find the technicals on a fundamental play, I'll play it. But yeah, I want the technicals to be there. I'm not just going to blindly hop into something because of the news. Sorry, can't do that. Been burned. And hey, I'm profitable, so I'll stay in my lane. Even if that lane is slower and longer and I'm not seeing much for tomorrow. It's crazy. It's crazy. My most exciting play was a one line. It's still only one line. I want 2 lines. No. Not there. It's just not happening. We already looked at Etsy. Alright, so Starbucks tomorrow at the open for 5 minutes. Could work, could not. Andy tomorrow at the open. Well, no, I'm hoping that goes away. This could be tomorrow. Actually, let's move this up so I watch that in the morning as well. Make sure to watch it. SoFi, 10-minute coming down. Let's throw that in the watch file. CLSK, clean stone. Yeah, keep it down here. Oops. HD, Verizon, Disney. HD is a shorter time frame. That needs to be green. Alright, well, not much. Let's hope for a big old green day. Something like that. Maybe I throw QQQ at the very top. Why is it going so slow? Just to remind me. Alright, good night. Follow me on Twitter. If you're from Twitter, follow me on YouTube. See ya.